Hey, party people. There goes my husband. Gonna go pick up our daughter. It's raining. I love the rain. I love it. This whole week, at least for the next 3 days, it's supposed to be crazy rain and storm like weather. It's been a very long time since I posted a video. I am gonna try again on and off. Start giving you some contents. Bear with me, but I love the rain. I hope you guys enjoy the sound of rain. I just had a baby. That's the new update a week ago. Today he is 8 days old. He's so cute. He's sleeping right now, but I can still smell him, his newborn smell. And I have a 9-year-old daughter. She's so happy. She's so helpful with him. But look at the rain. It's so beautiful, isn't it? It's not like rain in Bangladesh, where I remember getting wet and showering in the rain, and it didn't feel cold. But here it's freezing cold. Freezing cold. But yeah, I'm enjoying the rain. I love the rain. I'm so happy that it's raining. Brought you inside the room. I felt like outside you couldn't see the rain falling. I don't know if you can see. Maybe you can hear my baby crying. This is our backyard. You see this? There's pomegranate tree plant right there. Let me open the sliding door. I love the sound of rain. My dad loves gardening. So he has so many plants. He does a great job. A lot of energy. Try to capture a better... Okay, I hope you can see the rain now. I love it. If it wasn't cold air coming inside the house, I would have my sliding door open, back door open, and hear the sound of rain, but it is cold. I'm freezing. Right. Just part of California, sharing with you all. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and bear with me. I hope not to take such long breaks from making contents, but I also won't be able to 100% make you videos every day. But my plan now that I'm home to show you guys as much as possible, whatever my contents are. You'll get a lot of baby updates and baby stuff, but I hope those will be helpful to you. Anyway, wherever you are, if it's raining, if you enjoy it, enjoy it. If you don't enjoy the rain, stay safe. Don't go out. I enjoy the rain, but I can't go out. I'd love to go run in there and get wet, but I can't. It's cold. Be safe.